Hi, I'm Santos. If you will be towing a trailer with your Nissan Titan, you will be needing trailer lights for that. It is required by law, and we will be showing you how to install the trailer wiring onto your vehicle, and we will get that started.
You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation.
All right, so to get started, Nissan makes it very easy for us when installing trailer wiring. Up here by the spare tire, you will notice that there is a wire that is pre-installed, factory by Nissan. It is an OEM trailer wiring harness. Usually it comes with a cap already onto it that keeps it safe from corrosion, but either way we will be reinstalling it for them and show you how to use that. Now the plug that we use for that, it is a dual plug that will come with both the 4-flat connector for just basic trailer lights and the 7-round that will also include lights for brake controllers and for electrical power. Now this one would just slide right in until it would click. We're not going to put it in yet because first we will want to put our bracket up. Now to start with putting our bracket into place, we can see that previously we had a spot where the bracket was previously put on with the owner. Now if we take this and we put it in that same spot, the way this hitches, it doesn't give us the proper amount of room to use that same spot. So we will have to slide it down a little bit where it will give us a little bit more space. So we'll be putting it right in here. All right, to install the bracket, we'll be using these self-tapping screws, which are included by the manufacturer. We have our power tool with a 13mm socket that we will be using to do that. So we will hold it with one hand into the right position. Now that we have that first one in, we'll just make sure it's at the right angle. And once we find that it is flush with the bumper, we will put in the second screw. Okay, now that we have the bracket in place, we can take our harness and it just clicks right in there. And then on the back side here, push it in. All right, now that we have this pushed in, you'll hear a slight click, or if you don't hear a click, you'll just want to do a little tight tug on it to make sure it's in place and doesn't come off. That way we know it will stay. Now that we have all that put in place, we will be moving to the front of the vehicle under the hood in the engine compartment. We need to make sure the vehicle has the correct relays in place for this plug to work properly. This is an aftermarket part that you will need if it doesn't. In my experience, it has been about 50% of the time it already comes with the relays installed. The other 50% of the time you'll have to purchase the relays to give power to your plug. So we will go ahead and check to see if we need to do that. Now that we're under the hood, we're going to move over to the passenger side of the engine compartment. Over here we have all the fuse and relay boxes. The relays for trailer towing are located in this panel right here. It just has the 2 tabs that you will push in and pull off. And you will see that this Nissan Titan does not have the relays installed, so we will be using that. Comes with the 2 white and the 1 brown. The relays come in a blue and a brown color. The 2 blue relays will be inserted into the white slots. And the brown to the brown. All right, with our relays in place, your OEM plug is now activated. We will now put the panel right back on, and it is all set. Thank you for watching our video. Once again, my name is Santos. Have fun, be safe, and happy trailering.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, or to schedule an installation by U-Haul Hitch Professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.